Hello, today we will be talking about match function. Match function specifies the sequence, specifies the relative position of an item in a given range. For example, in case this is a range from E5 to E8 and I need to find the name blue. So in this range blue color is coming in row number 2. So the match function will give you the output 2, and in case it's yellow then it will give me the output 3. So let's talk about the syntax of match function. So here we need to find out the lookup value for white and in the table array in which sequence this white appears. So I have put in the formula. Once I click on this function button, the icon will open which will show you the syntax. The first thing is lookup value. So lookup value is in cell A5, which is white. You can also type it white here. Then lookup array. Lookup array is the range in which we want to find it. So the range is from E5 to E8. E5 to E8. And then match type. 0 means exact match. Exact match means that in case the system doesn't find white here, it will throw in an error. So normally we will always use a false unless until there are specific reasons of not using a exact match and to find something approximate to a value. So in this case, once we put in the data, the output is coming to 4. 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So white is in 4th column, so that's why the output is coming to 4. Suppose I change this to green, the output will change to 1. One more thing to note is that it is not case sensitive and it will show you the same output irrespective whether the input is in caps or otherwise. Suppose I put in a black. Since black is not there in the range, it will throw me an error value. Now let's talk about the 3 match type. We talked about 0. 0, when we put a match type 0, it will show me the exact value. And in case the exact value is not there, it will throw me an error. In case we put a match type as when, the first thing is the values should be put in an array which is in ascending order, and it will throw me a value which is largest than the lookup value. And simultaneously for -1 the data should be in descending order and it will throw me a value which is smallest than the lookup value. Thank you.